Hey guys, in this video, we're comparing Coinbase and Crypto.com to see which crypto platform is the better choice. Coinbase is a beginner friendly exchange that lets you buy, sell, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's known for its fast transactions, high liquidity, strong security features like two-factor authentication and cold storage, and a simple, reliable user experience. Crypto.com also lets you buy, sell, and trade crypto, but it offers additional features like a crypto wallet, DeFi services, crypto-backed loans, and a Visa card with cashback rewards and other perks. It also supports a large selection of cryptocurrencies. Overall, Coinbase is a great choice for simplicity and security, while Crypto.com offers more extra features for users who want an all-in-one crypto platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides.